Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Great Hotel Reviews. And today, I am in San Juan, Puerto Rico. And I'm staying at a place called the Decanter Hotel in Old San Juan. Let's go ahead and take a look at the room. Alright, so that was outside on the balcony. Now we're inside the room. And oh my goodness, just look how beautiful and high the ceiling is. I mean, just in case you were 20 feet tall, you could still stay in this room. We've got a bed here. This is not the way it originally came. I made it back up. You caught me. Okay, so we've got lots of space here. We've got a little trash can. We've got some pictures on the wall. I mean, the paper cutter must have torn this one. It's not, okay. We have Puerto Rican art, yes, and all of the colors. We've got, just in case there's a fire in here, not my best episode. Okay, over here we have a desk. We've got some waters here and some champagne glasses, because you can get very dehydrated here. It's awfully hot this time of year. You've got cable. Harry Potter was on when I came in. We've got a mirror over here. This goes to another room. This goes to the bathroom. This goes to another room. This is the way out. And then over here we have the safe. Okay, so now we're gonna this is the room. Okay, I already said. All right, now we're in el baño. We've got a toilet here in the corner. We've got a hair dryer just in case. You've got your another mirror here, and then this shower. I just look at the floor of the shower. It's just like you're showering in like a the grotto. It's just not smooth. But that was fine. It was fine. This was the best shower of the trip. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the Decanter Hotel. I'd highly recommend this place. It's not cheap, but totally the balcony and all the stray cats that run back and forth across the balcony scaring you all night is 100% worth the price of admission.